Ever had that sinking feeling? Your scooter's purring along. You're enjoying the ride, and then you come to a stop. At the red light, the engine sputters and dies. Frustrating, right? Today, we're tackling a common issue: the stalling scooter at idle. Many scooters have this problem, but the good news is, it's often an easy fix. Let's get to it. First things first, what's causing this? Basically, your engine isn't getting enough fuel or air when it's idling. When you're cruising, the engine is working harder, and everything is in sync. But at idle, the demands are different. If the idle mixture is off, or the idle speed is too low, the engine will struggle to stay running. Now, let's talk about the usual culprit, the idle adjustment screw. This little screw is your friend. It's usually located on the carburetor, which is the heart of your scooter's fuel system. The carburetor mixes air and fuel, and this screw fine-tunes the mixture when the engine is idling. Finding the idle adjustment screw can be a bit tricky, depending on your scooter model, but it's usually accessible. Consult your scooter's manual for the exact location. Typically, it's a small screw that you can turn with a screwdriver. There are different types, but the most common is a slotted head screw. You might also find one with a Phillips head. Now, for the fix. With the engine running and warmed up, gently turn the idle adjustment screw. Tiny adjustments are key here. Turning it clockwise usually increases the idle speed. Turning it counterclockwise decreases the idle speed. You're aiming for a smooth, consistent idle. Listen to the engine. Does it sound like it's about to stall? Then, increase the idle speed. Does it sound too fast or rough? Decrease the idle speed. Make small adjustments. Wait a few seconds and observe. You're looking for the sweet spot, where the engine idles steadily without stalling. It's a trial and error process, but with a little patience, you'll find the perfect setting. Important note: do not over-tighten the screw. It's delicate. Also, be careful around the engine while it's hot. Let it cool down before you start working on it, or wear appropriate protective gear. If you are unsure about any of these steps, please seek professional help from a qualified mechanic. Once you find the ideal idle speed, you can breathe a sigh of relief. No more stalling at stop signs. Keep an eye on the idle speed in the future. Over time, it might need slight adjustments. Regular maintenance will help keep your scooter running smoothly. Happy riding!